What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to showcase a new feature that one of my favorite travel affiliate programs recently released. It's called Stay22, and what they recently came up with is a YouTube integration where basically you connect your YouTube channel if you're running some travel content on it. You connect it to the Stay22 program, and what Stay22 does is its AI will analyze all of your videos and show you where there's potential affiliate offers that you can actually insert into your descriptions in the video, perhaps the pinned comments and stuff. And I actually want to show this to you because Stay22, for me at least, has been a very good source of income because I have a travel blog and Stay22 has an awesome AI affiliate service that has been connected to my website, and literally all of the sales that I've been making from my website have been thanks to this affiliate feature in Stay22, but that's connected to my blog. If you have a YouTube channel and you're promoting travel offers, I would highly recommend that you sign up with Stay22. It's free, and try to do this YouTube integration. So let me show you what it actually looks like. So I'm here in my dashboard of Stay22, and these are just two different AI things. One is for a website, one is for a YouTube channel. So you'll see it says it's in the beta stage right now, but I do think that this will probably become more popular. You're going to want to click on this. Now in my particular case, I am connected to my YouTube channel. I actually have two, one for my online business subject and one for my travel stuff. So here is my travel YouTube channel. So what I did was there will be a button to say connect your, do a YouTube integration. It will share with you how to log in. You will log in and then the integration will be made. And then what will happen is that Stay22 will start analyzing all of the videos on your channel. In my case, it started analyzing all of these, and basically it started coming up with affiliate opportunities. Now what you'll notice is that it actually has a report, and these are all of my videos. Now some of them where it says affiliate suggestions, it says 0, but there are others where there are numbers, like this one has 6 affiliate suggestions. And if you click on it, what you'll notice is that it literally gives you a video description that you can put into your existing video description. So the video that I have is published and I have my own description there, but now it's recommending, look at this, at different times to promote different offers. And these are all my affiliate links, by the way. I didn't make any of this. So all I have to do is just copy it, or I can edit it if I wanted it to. And overall, what it'll do, like it'll take my existing description that I have, but it will also recommend places to stay. So in this particular case, the subject is things to do in Hocking Hill State Park. It's a very popular destination in Ohio. And what it's saying is, hey, there's hotels you can promote in your video for this particular subject, and it'll give me a list of these, and I can put this into my existing video and then just let it continue to run. It's amassing views. Some people might look at the description. Some people might be interested in hotels for that, and they might buy it, and guess what? I'll make a commission that way. So this can really help you potentially expand your affiliate opportunities if you have a travel related YouTube channel and you're signed up with Stay22. Put together, this can be a very powerful combination, and I'm definitely using this on my YouTube content, and I highly recommend you do so as well. I've seen great results from using Stay22's AI program on my website, and I'm certainly very hopeful and optimistic about using their YouTube feature and their AI service to help you with that avenue as well. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you have any questions, let me know. I will leave the link to Stay22 underneath this video if you want to check that out. They're free to sign up with. It's just an affiliate program, but the features that they offer, in my opinion, make it one of the best, if not the best, travel affiliate program that I've done business with so far. So check it out, and if you have any questions, let me know. But as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.